Hi, I'm Philip Easton, a Director of Domino's Digital Printing Division. Domino has developed a digital label printing solution which can revolutionise how your business prints labels. Shorter lead times, reduce costs and waste, increase flexo press uptime, and importantly the ability to offer your customers an improved and innovative service to help you stand out from the crowd. The Domino N610i combines the productivity normally associated with flexo printing with the flexibility of digital technology, enabling you to drive up sales, increase profitability and reduce your waste and production costs. But don't take our word for it. This is what our customers have to say.
It is the quality which is coming out of it. It is the cooperation with the people and the service that we receive from our partner, and that is how we call it today, Domino.
We are able to take a job that takes an entire shift and move it to the Domino, and now it takes us 1 hour to produce. So that is a very significant savings in time and material.
The advantage for us for Domino is that it links that good quality to the high speed. There's no other digital inkjet press that does that speed with this kind of quality. So the gap between flexo and digital becomes smaller.
The N610i has allowed me to offer my customers the opportunity to market their products more effectively, using as many variants as they want without additional costs. They're loving it.
The N610i can handle reel sizes of up to 1 metre or 40 inches in diameter and prints on a range of industry standard self-adhesive label materials including coated paper, polypropylene and polyethylene. The media preparation area includes a Technic dual-sided web cleaner which can remove particles smaller than 1 micron in size. The Vitafoam Corona treatment emits a high-frequency electrical discharge which can improve the print quality and the ink's adhesion to a variety of substrates, whilst the FMS web guide ensures precise alignment of the substrate into the print section. Precision printing is delivered by the Domino proprietary enhanced Kyocera high-resolution jetting assemblies. The N610i can either be supplied reel-to-reel to work with offline finishing, with inline finishing, or as a full hybrid solution. A universal interface enables Domino to work with your preferred label press and finishing line partners, with successful installations already in line with MPS, AB Graphics, GM, Lombardi, Spanday, Multitech, CEI and Delta Modtech. The industry standard ESCO workflow makes the life of an operator simple, with easy-to-use spot colour matching features and rich colour management tools to ensure colour consistency is maintained across multiple materials. When automation is required, ESCO's automation engine platform enables pre-press to link with the Domino N610i to AVT vision inspection. This allows for on-the-fly full image inspection of changing SKUs to maximise production, blank label material to fully inspected and finished labels, ready to be boxed in just one process. The N610i delivers the highest digital productivity, the most consistent print results and the best digital inkjet quality. It can print at speeds of up to 70 metres a minute or 230 feet per minute in rapid production mode and 50 metres a minute or 164 feet per minute with the optimum print quality. Return on investment is delivered through a rich package of features and benefits. This includes the capacity to print 100,000 100mm or 4-inch square labels an hour across multiple designs. Large rolls up to 1 metre or 40 inches in diameter can be accommodated to maximise uptime. No plates to buy, handle or manage. Less make ready, preparation time. Shorter lead times. Virtually no material waste on a job or media change when using Domino's material saving web reverse feature. Plus you can print onto standard flexo substrates, which means material inventory is simplified whilst maximising price breaks for materials. The Domino N610i delivers a native 600 by 600 dpi resolution with smooth vignettes, repeatable colour and the ability to print fine text down to a 2-point font. Domino's specially formulated white ink delivers a silk screen-like textured finish with the highest opacity on the market at over 70%. ideal for solid coverage while also having the unique ability to print fine text and detail alongside solid areas. This provides a cost-effective alternative to screen printing. The 7-colour Domino N610i can print in excess of 90% of the Pantone colour range without the need to make plates or the complexity of mixing spot colours. This allows brand owners and designers the scope to create designs with a far greater number of colours cost effectively. It allows our label converter customers to print more labels. Domino's unique intelligent technology, iTech features, enables you to print a job one day, then 1 month later print the same job and still achieve the same colour and consistent high quality results. Domino's mission is to develop and deliver equipment, consumables and services to manufacturers and commercial printers worldwide, providing superior digital printing solutions with convenience, security, value and peace of mind. With over 40 years of inkjet experience, we have established an enviable and unrivaled global reputation for the development and manufacture of digital inkjet printing technologies. Plus, more than 600 service technicians provide support for Domino solutions across the globe, and the Domino service standard ensures you will receive a quality, consistent high level of service in almost every region of the world. Please give us a call, send us an email or check out the Domino N610i microsite at www.n610i.com. Would love to hear from you.